A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I will going to start the new business service, that is insurance. Banking service I have discussed. Insurance I will discuss today. Insurance is also one of the service which is required when a businessman is going to start a business. Why? Because in a life we are facing so many uncertain events, so many different kinds of risk we are facing at all the time. So the risk like risk of death, risk of disability for human life, risk like fire, theft of property, and so many other risks. So in case when the any time risk will occur, the individual or organization suffer a great loss because of that uncertain event. So, to minimize the impact of such uncertainties, there is a need of insurance. We cannot eliminate the risk, but we can take the protection against to cover the loss of that risk. So, what is insurance? Insurance is a contract between two parties where one party agree means indemnify, you can say, to cover the loss suffered by other party for consideration of some money, that is premium. So one party is paying premium who want to protect himself against the uncertain events, and the other party agree to cover up that loss. So the party which promise to indemnify or cover the loss is known as insurer or insurance company. Suppose if we have taken insurance policy from a life insurance corporation, so LIC in that condition is the insurer because he promised to cover up my loss. The person or the property subject to risk is called insured. Means the person who is taking the policy, insurance policy, is called as insured. And the agreement between these two party, that is between insurer and insured, is called as insurance policy. So it is not possible to make very huge investment in business, in factories, like we are doing investment in buildings, in buying equipments and so many things, capital equipments, unless we are not insured, unless we are not protected. Because all the time we have risk in our mind that whether if any kind of uncertain event will arise, what we will do, how we will cover up my loss. Suppose you established a factory and because of flood, because of uncertain events like earthquake, the factory building, it totally whatever you have constructed, it become destructed. So in that condition, whatever loss you are facing, suppose due to fire, due to earthquake, due to flood, in that condition the loss is covered by the insurance company. So insurance is a device, it is a medium by which loss likely to be caused means which may be caused, which may not be caused. So loss which likely to be caused due to uncertain events, which is spread to number of people or person they are exposed to it, it can be minimized. The impact of that uncertain event we can minimize with the help of insurance. Now what are the functions of insurance? What the insurance policy exactly do? First, it provides the uncertainty. Insurance, it cannot remove the uncertain events, as I have already said. Suppose if there is an event of fire, you cannot eliminate that event, you cannot eliminate earthquake, you cannot eliminate flood. But the first thing which you can do, that you can only protect yourself. However, it provides certainty of payment for the risk of loss. Whatever loss the person is facing, that loss is compensated with the help of insurance policy. The insurer charges premium for providing the certainty. Means insurance company, they charge premium for providing certainty to cover up the loss. Second function is protection. Insurance cannot stop the happening of a risk. This is very important. Risk cannot be stopped, but it gives the protection against the risk of probable loss. Means the uncertain loss that may arise, that may not be arise due to the happening of uncertain events. Uncertain events like fire, theft, natural calamities, these are uncertain. They are not must happen. They may happen, they may not be happen. So insurance provide protection against that. First, it provides certainty, and second, it provide protection. Suppose if you have purchased a car, you take insurance policy. If any time your car become robbed by the thieves, or it become in accident, it become destructed. So at that time, the loss is compensated by the insurance. Risk sharing is also one of the function of insurance. Insurance is an arrangement in which large number of people they exposed to same risk, so they are contributing fund in the form of premium maintained by the insurance company. They are contributing money every month, half yearly, whatever quarterly, whatever kind of policy they have taken. The premium paid by all of the people they pooled means they are collected at one place, and in case of loss to any person, the compensation is paid to him out of that pooled fund, mean out of that collected fund by the insurance company. So thus we can say that insurance risk is shared by a large number of people, because large number of people they are pooling their money or they are paying the premium. Out of that pooled money, we are providing compensation to the person who is affected by uncertain events. So three things very important functions of insurance: providing certainty, protection against risk, and risk sharing is there. All the persons who are contributing or they are pooling their fund as a premium to the insurance company, they all are sharing the risk. So this is all for today's class. I have given a just brief introduction of the meaning of insurance, that what is insurance, and in business we must need insurance. Without this we cannot make huge investment in our business or enterprises and organization. We need some protection to cover up the loss. So this is all for today. In next class tomorrow I will discuss about principles of insurance that are very important. In today's class, if you want to ask anything, then you can ask. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.